Okay, I'm going to show you how you can make your clips by firstly slitting down through the middle exactly, and how to drill these holes in a straight line after you do the slits. So to do it, I've got an aluminium pipe. As you can see, I've cut a slit right down so I can get a standing knife with a hook and cut the tubing long ways like this. So first, here's the tubing. I'll insert it in here first, push it up flush like that. So you put it on a block of wood, and notice just over the edge a little bit, put your blade in and done. Now it's slit. I'll just get something to push it through again. Okay, so what I'll do now, I'm going to get a wooden dowel. It's 12.5 millimeters, a bit tapered on the end as you might see, and what you do is you insert it in the tubing like this. As you can see that you push it right down, you can see everything's pretty well straight, and the other side as well. So you get a marking pen to mark where you want to drill your holes. Just sort of space it evenly as you can. I'm just doing a bit roughly, but if you have a bit of time you can sort of do it a bit more evenly spaced maybe. Anyway, I've got the drill, a 3mm drill bit. That one went. Okay. Oh, it's a little bit difficult having round. Oh boy. Right, got that one. I was going to have trouble with this one too, I think. But anyway, you drill 3mm holes in the ones you've marked. And the last one here. Okay. To take it off, you just pull it off like that. Comes off. And as you can see, holes are nice and straight. And it's cut down there. So I'll get a wagtail and I'll show you how it goes on the channel. You can put it on like this, like that, and there you have it. And also that tubing will go over as a bigger channel as a Zorbo channel, and you can have it on your channel, any channel you like. And I suppose that's about it.